What if I told you one of the highest priced homes currently for sale in Canyon Crest is not one of the huge custom estates, and it's not even close to the biggest home on the market? Right now, there's a home listed at $3.35 million, and it's only about 3,600 square feet on Sweet Meadow. So the big question is, will buyers actually pay that price in today's market? And even more interesting, another Canyon Crest home just went under contract in only 3 days because it was priced correctly from the start. So today I'm breaking down exactly what's happening in the Canyon Crest market right now, what buyers are doing, where prices are heading as we move into the summer, and what sellers need to know if they want their home sold quickly. Hi everyone, I'm Leslie Swan, and I'm actually coming to you from the brand new Capo Valley football field. The stadium, they just had the ribbon cutting ceremony just a few moments ago. And so I am here from the new stadium in the bleachers. And as you know, I'm Leslie Swan, your Canyon Crest neighbor and local real estate expert. If you enjoy getting hyper-local updates about Canyon Crest and the real estate market in Mission Viejo, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Right now, there are 10 active properties on the market in Canyon Crest. Those homes range from about 3,100 square feet to just under 5,000 square feet, with asking prices ranging from $1.8 million all the way up to $3.35 million. Now, naturally, you would think that the $3.35 million property would be the one of the large custom homes in the neighborhood, but surprisingly, it's actually the approximately 3,600 square foot home on Sweet Meadow. So we'll definitely be watching closely to see whether that property sells anywhere near its listing price. And speaking of listings, one of those 10 active listings is actually my newest listing on Wakefield. It's located at the end of the cul-de-sac with only one direct neighbor, who, by the way, is wonderful. The first showings will be during the open houses this Saturday and Sunday, May 30th and 31st. So if you've been waiting for something special in Canyon Crest, or you have a friend or family member that is, come by and take a look and say hi. I'll have snacks. There are currently 3 homes under contract in Canyon Crest right now, with list prices ranging from $1.8 million to $2 million. And one of the most important stories in today's market is the 3,400 square foot home that was listed at $1.8 million and went under contract in just 3 days. That proves something I keep telling sellers over and over again. Listing price matters. Even in a market where buyers are more cautious, the homes that are priced correctly are still moving quickly. Over the last 2 months, 6 homes have sold in Canyon Crest, and so far this year, 14 homes have sold in total in the neighborhood. That's actually 4 more home sales than Canyon Crest had during the same time period last year. So while the market has definitely shifted compared to the frenzy we saw a few years ago, buyers are absolutely still out there. Now we are heading into the summer months, and historically, this is when the market tends to slow down a bit. There simply aren't as many buyers actively looking compared to February and March. People start traveling, kids get out of school, vacations happen, and real estate often takes a back seat for a while. If you're thinking about selling in the next few months, your best strategy is simple. Prepare your home so it shows beautifully. Price it at true market value and make it as easy as possible for buyers to say yes. That's still the best formula for selling quickly. But honestly, sometimes even perfectly prepared homes can sit a little longer during the summer simply because buyers are busy living life. And yes, mortgage rates have crept up a bit over the past couple of months due to the rising 10-year Treasury yield, inflation concerns, and higher oil prices. But even with that movement, rates are still below 6.75%. And despite what the headlines sometimes say, people are still buying. People are still selling, and well-priced homes are still moving. If you're curious about what your Canyon Crest home could realistically sell for in today's market, feel free to reach out anytime. And again, if you enjoy these Canyon Crest updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a neighbor who likes keeping up with the market. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see my video tour of the brand new Capo Stadium, click right here, right now.